Welcome to Lovett Family Farms. We are a family-owned and operated farm located in Ashburton, New Zealand. We grow a diverse range of vegetable and arable crops with a focus on premium quality onions. Our rich, fertile Canterbury soils, in combination with innovative technology and 3 generations of experience, ensure only the finest quality onions reach our customers across the world. We grow our crops with love, and our hard-working team takes special care every step of the process, from planting and growing to harvesting and packing. As our onions make the journey from field to packhouse, they are carefully sorted and cured before they are ready to make their way into our state-of-the-art packing facility. This is where the magic happens. Our modern and high-precision sizing, sorting and packaging machinery is very gentle on the onions to optimise the quality and satisfy our customers' market requirements.